What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I will be doing a cute little short video on this look that I created that's on my face. So if you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. But before we get into anything, you already know what you got to do. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell, getting the notifications when I post new videos, and click that like button letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this look. Alright, so for this cute little spring look, I'm using the Colourpop Garden Variety palette. So I'm going to take a crease brush. I'm going to go into the shade Stuck on You right here and start my crease. Okay, so after using this, starting that crease up, I'm going to go in with a fluffier brush. This is my Morphe M535. I'm going to go into the shade Prickly Please right here and blend out my edges. My little hand, let me go back into that first shade and just kind of blend everything, put that color back in a little bit. All right, so done with those two things. I'm going to take a little smudger brush right here from e.l.f. I'm going to go back into that first shade. Take her underneath on the bottom outer portion of my lid. Okie dokie, so let me go off camera real quick, put my tacky primer on my lid, be right back. Alright, so I didn't prime the lid, so now I'm going to go into the shade Smudge Off right here and blend this into my outer corner. Alright, and so now I'm going to clean her off real quick. And then I'm going to go into the shade Synergy right here. Oops, bring her over here. Yeah, Synergy. Put this in the inner portion of my top lid. Okie dokie, so now I'm going to take my trusty E36. I'm going to spray her down. And I'm going to go back into that Synergy shade and drag it underneath. Okay, so let me go off camera, finish my eyes. I'll be right back. Alright, so I finished my eyes, so now I'm going to go in and finish the rest of my face. So I'm going to go in with, I broke my lid off on accident, but this is the Splendour Ultra Matte Bronzer by Makeup Revolution. So I'm going to go in and bronze up my face a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the Saharan, Juvia's Place Saharan Blush of Volume 2. I'm going to go into the shade B right here. Oops, yeah, right there. And put this on my cheeks. Okay, went a little ham and cheese right here. So I'm gonna take my little sponge and clean that up a little bit. Oops. And now, last but not least, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette. I'm going to go into the shade, what is it? I'll go into the shade Ethereal right here and highlight these cheekbones. And go down my nose. Alright, and then do something with these lips. Just something kind of not super cray cray. I'm gonna go in with Mented Pretty in Pink. So that's what the shade looks like. I'm gonna put her on. My dog, she going nuts, but and voila, this is the finished look. So I used the Garden Variety palette by Colourpop. You can find that at Ulta and or on the Colourpop website. Everything else I'll list in the description box that I used on my face, so that if you want to get those products, you surely can. Obviously, before we head out, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, getting the notifications when I post new videos, and click that like button, letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. And until next time, guys, deuces.